The first step for this problem, again, is to determine which equation we want to use. And because we are told that the interest is compounded triannually, which means 3 times a year, we are going to use this equation here, our compound interest equation, our compound interest formula. So we want to know how much interest she will have earned after 3 years. So we can find interest by looking at this A value here. So that's what we want to solve for right now, is our A value. Now let's look at the information that we are given. So we're told that she invests $1,500. So that is our P value, our initial amount. We are told that she earns 4.5% interest. So our value is 0.045. Remember, make sure you are converting from a percentage to a decimal. We're told that her interest is compounded 3 times per year triannually. So N is 3. It's the number of compounding periods per year. And finally, we want to know how much she will have earned after 3 years. So that is our T value. Now that we have figured out what each of our variables is equal to, we can substitute these values into our equation to solve for A. So we have A is equal to the initial value, which is 1,500 times 1 plus 0.045 over 3 times 3, or to the power of 3 times 3. So now we can simplify. So we get A is equal to 1,500 times 1 plus 0.045 over 3, which is 1.015, to the power of 3 times 3, which is 9. So we put this value into our calculator and we get A is equal to 1,715.085. But if you look back at this question, we are looking for how much interest she will have earned, not the total value in her account after 3 years. So to figure out the amount of interest that Stephanie has earned, we need to subtract our initial value of 1,500 from our ending value, which we just calculated to be 1,715. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to find interest by taking A and subtracting P. So we take 15.09 and we subtract 1,500 and we calculate that Stephanie has earned $215.09 in interest. So this is our final answer for this problem. Make sure when you're doing these problems that you are double checking exactly what the problem is asking for. Because in this case, we are not looking for the ending value in the account after 3 years. We are just looking for the interest that has been earned.